Welcome to Beekeeping from the Basement. My name is Jay. I'll be your host. I run Williams Honey Farm. We are a small beekeeping operation here in Nashville, Tennessee. We raise queens, make a whole lot of bees, and produce award-winning honey. But more importantly, we educate as many beekeepers as we possibly can to get out there and enjoy this hobby because we love it and we know you will too. So you're probably thinking, what in the world is this dude talking about beekeeping in his basement right now? It's supposed to be outside in the sun and the wind and everything else. If you haven't noticed, we're in the middle of a pandemic and we're all pretty much quarantined and we're dying for interaction in some capacity. So a couple weeks ago, my family got together and we started thinking, how can we help new beekeepers? How can we share our knowledge, share our excitement and our passion for this thing, and do it in an effective and easy way? Well, guess what? You're looking at it. I'm in my shop in my basement. I'm homeschooling too, just like you guys are. So we just put our kids to bed. I came on downstairs, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to shoot a couple videos a week, hopefully 10 minutes or less, really quick and easy for you to tune in whenever you can, whenever you get a break. It's no frills. You get what you pay for. Literally above my head, there is the washer dryer over there. That's probably going to go off in the middle of one of these things. You'll hear the spinning cycle going. You have my dishwasher on the other side, and then occasionally you're going to hear some pitter-patter of some feet across over our heads here. But it's real life, right? There's, again, no frills. But the most important thing is I want to share my knowledge, I want to share my passion, and get you guys going on the right track. And here in Nashville, Tennessee, we are right in the beginning of our crucial time in the year. It's the beginning of our season. The nectar flow comes on in about a month or so. So new beekeepers and all of us need to lean on each other as much as possible. We got to share our knowledge and try and keep each other going. You know, in this world, we're faced with a lot of dark times, and there is a lot of bad things going on right now. But I'm here to tell you there's also a lot of good, and that's what we're all about right now. I'm here to show you the good things about beekeeping. I'm here to show you the bright spots in our world that we need to focus on and get you through this tough time. So stay tuned, get ready. I don't know what's going to happen either, but it'll be great. I can't wait for it. So thank you and see you soon.